wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling saw stands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. In addition to most saws, you can also attach planers and other tools with universal dimensions to the Powertech MT4009 Deluxe. That kind of versatility is almost enough to make you forgive it for the excruciating assembly process it puts you through. It is a decent budget option, however the extensions are on the short side and the roller supports are fragile. At number 9, the Metabo HPTuu 240R boasts a single-action setup and takedown process, so you can start cutting almost immediately instead of spending a few minutes getting everything situated. The removable mounting brackets have rubber feet to prevent damage to wooden surfaces. It comes with convenient adjustable stops and fits through standard door frames, but there are lots of flimsy plastic parts. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the dewalt DWE7 For 911 is designed to help you get your work done even when you're on the go. In addition to having wheels, it's also a cinch to get into and out of your truck or service vehicle, allowing you to take it to different job sites without breaking your back. It's a durable steel construction that's easy to put together. However, it wobbles in the upright position. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if your job requires you to rip through tile all day, the Husqvarna TS90 and TS90 can help make the chore a little less demanding. You can reposition or collapse it with a single hand, keeping your other one free for holding boards or a miter gauge. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and sports an attractive finish, but it is on the expensive side. Moving up our list to number 6, the Bora Portamate PM8000 folds up like a box when not in use, so not only is it easy to put away, but you can also pile other gear on top of it. It keeps the saw flipped underneath the surface when stored, ensuring both it and your employees stay safe from harm. It moves like a hand truck and offers 7 feet of working space. However, it's not ideal for sliding models. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Powertech MT4009 isn't the sexiest option on the market, unless you find pure utility sexy, that is. It's a very basic model, but one that's nevertheless fairly versatile, as the steel benchtop plates can be adjusted to fit a variety of board sizes. It utilizes a pin lever release system and sliding pieces move smoothly, but the extension rollers are awkwardly placed. At number 4, the ridgid AC9946 can be adjusted without the need for any tools, limiting the amount of gear you have to take with you on a job. That also enables you to make any necessary changes quickly, so you don't have to stop cutting for very long. It navigates stairs well and provides an incredibly stable surface, plus it's easy to modify to your needs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can raise or lower the dewalt WX726 with ease, as the pneumatic assist lifting system offers you 3 different working positions. Anyone with strength or mobility issues will appreciate how painless it is to find a suitable height in just a few seconds. It's great for use on siding, and you can store it with tools attached. It offers universal miter saw compatibility. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the WEN MSA330 offers 3 onboard 120-volt outlets, enabling you to plug your saw or other tools directly into the table. The support arms can extend to 79 inches, so you can get 10-foot pieces of lumber on it without much difficulty. It can bear up to 330 pounds and comes with a powder-coated finish and durable, never-flat tires. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the dewalt DW7 440RS allows you to get set up in a flash, as the folding legs have quick-release levers and the brackets on the stand let you attach your saw in seconds. It minimizes the amount of time wasted during the day, helping you to finish jobs ahead of schedule. The wide base provides stability and it weighs only 33 pounds. It includes a blade guard. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video.